All right. We're now on question 6. We are looking at explaining. It says, why does the filtrate you left in the evaporating dish? That's this part right down here. Why does the filtrate you left in the evaporating dish on day 1 look so different from what is evaporating in the evaporating dish today, day 2? That's over here. And what happened to the filtrate overnight? So if we look at the picture, this is really going to help us answer the question. On day 1, we had A, but it was dissolved into extremely tiny particles that were being surrounded by our solvent on either side. As the solvent here evaporates, it leaves. And as it leaves, it has to put the A with new solvent, with other solvent that's in the container. So slowly as the solvent evaporates, this A is being forced to be held onto by other solvent in this dish. Well, eventually all the solvent is gone. It's all evaporated. And so since there's no longer solvent available to hold on to this A, it instead is now going to be left behind as crystals. And those crystals form in a really nice organized pattern, so they look nice and pretty like crystals instead of the powder that you started with. But we could take this, and if we ground it up, we would get back the same powder that we saw on the very first day. So the difference happens because the solvent evaporates overnight and A is left behind as solid crystals since they're no longer able to be dissolved in the solvent.